How to make a paracord bracelet, the arrow of time. Have fun and enjoy. Hello my friends, welcome back to the Alpha 1982 Ready to Paracord community. I hope that you're all well, safe and sound, and that you're ready for yet another awesome paracord project. Today's project is designed by our friend Pavel Makurin over the Cetus 550, so make sure to check Pavel's Instagram profile for more projects like this one. And if you want to learn how to make this beautiful paracord bracelet I'm wearing today, and this one as well, the full tutorials for both of them you have in the top right corner of this video information cards, also down below in the description box. So check it out. So that being said, we're gonna start. As you can see here, we have the 4-strand bracelet core with 2 working ends. The full tutorial also is in the top right corner information cards and down below in the description box of this video. Now we're gonna take the black paracord and we're gonna insert it into the core strands or a paracord setup of this bracelet. So we're gonna take the fid or a needle, paracord needle, and we're gonna pull it through these cow's hitches here. So now, when we created our bracelet core strands, or a core, or a base, and incorporated black paracord, we're gonna start with our project. We're gonna take our gold working ends and we're gonna pass it under the core strands, and then from the back through the gap between the second and the third core strand, as you can see, like this. And now we're gonna take the left strand and we're gonna place it again from this side here through the middle between the second and the third core strand, and we're gonna return it from the left side to the right side through this loop here, like so. And we're gonna do the same with the right strand, but before that we're gonna take the black paracord and we're gonna pass it under this gold cord and on top of this, under the working end and on top of these 2 core strands, so like this. And from here we're gonna pass it under the first core strand, or if you count from the left side, first and the second, so under the second core strand from the left and on top of the first core strand from the left side, and then to the side. Now we're gonna do the same we did with the left gold, we're gonna do the same with the right gold. So from the top into the gap in the middle, then under these 2 core strands, and from here we're gonna return it to the left side, but we're gonna pass it through this loop here and to the left. Now we're gonna take the black paracord and we're gonna pass it on top of the first 2 core strands and then under this working end, and from here we're gonna pass it under this second core strand from the right side and on top of the first core strand from the right side, and again from here we're gonna pass it through this loop, like so. And also here with the right strand we're gonna pass it through the loop here. So this is a big mess. I'm gonna repeat. We pass it our working ends from the back through the middle, as you can see here. Then we take the left strand and pass it from the top through the middle and under the left core strands, and then we return it through this loop here and to the side. Then we take the black paracord and we place it on top of these 2 core strands from the right, under the second core strand from the left side and on top of the first core strand from the left side, and then we pass it through this loop here. And we did the same with the right side. So here we are, we reached the end of our today's project. Now we're gonna finish it. We're gonna cross these gold paracords and we're gonna insert it from the top into the gap between first and the second core strand from the right side. Sorry about the noise, the fits make it. And now with the right strand as well, from the top into the middle between first and the second core strand from the left side. And through. And now we're gonna cross it the black paracords as well. So we're gonna take the right side black and from the top into the same gap, and with the left strand as well from the top into the gap between first and second core strand from the right side. Now we're gonna tie it up, cut off the excess of cord, melt it down. So here we are, we finished our project. I hope that you like it. If you do, don't forget to leave a like, share this video with your friends and the family. And as always, until the next time, stay safe, be well, wish you just best, and see you soon. Bye!